Hi guys, today we've got a small pack from AliExpress, but unlike you might expect, it's not from China, but it's from Tonga. In Poland we have this saying, utongać się, which means getting really drunk. You can hear there's some bottle inside, so let's see. Okay, so it's beer growth oil. Let's see. It's a really thick liquid. Something probably in Arabic. Well, not to say much. Those guys usually have really thick beards. And this is probably French. Yep, yes, the English, here it is. This oil is enriched with multiple natural nourishing ingredients that infiltrate into the hair follicle roots, repair and reactivate the dormant hair follicles, increase nutrient absorption, acceleration hair growth. Application: beards, armpit hair, chest hair, pubic hair, and the areas required for hair growth. Pubic hair. Usage: after bath every day, apply proper amount, even in fully massage until absorption. Ingredients: gingiber officinale root oil, Juniperus virginia oil, rosmarinus officinale leaf oil, vitamin Cyrus paradise seed oil. So it looks like different herb oils. Let's see how it works. Maybe first let's see how this smells. Very pleasant scent. Something like sandalwood. Okay. Okay. Really pleasant scent. Although now with these oily hands, it's gonna be difficult to switch the phone off without getting it also oily. So maybe I should go for the chest hair and other areas. Okay, so that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon. Just can't get enough of the scent. Really cool.